Mission Lane is a credit card company that focuses on serving people who are building or rebuilding their credit history. By the end, you'll know how Mission Lane works, when the annual fee may be worth paying, and what to compare before applying. The biggest question with any credit card that charges an annual fee is simple. Does the card give you enough value to justify the cost? Mission Lane is designed for people who may have limited credit options because of their credit history. For some users, getting access to a credit account can be useful because responsible payments can help establish stronger credit habits over time. The annual fee is the part you need to evaluate carefully. A fee can make sense if the card provides benefits that match your situation. A fee usually does not make sense if you are paying for an account you rarely use, or if another option provides similar value without the same cost. Before applying for Mission Lane, review the current card offer, including the annual fee, interest rate, credit limit, and any other account terms. These details can vary depending on the specific offer you receive. The way you use the card matters more than simply having it. Making payments on time, keeping spending under control, and understanding your account terms are the actions that can help you build better credit habits. Mission Lane may be a reasonable option for someone who needs a credit card designed around building credit and wants a possible path to improving their financial profile. It may not be the right choice for someone who qualifies for cards with better terms or more valuable features. You should also compare Mission Lane with other credit building cards before making a decision. Look at the total cost, the features included, and whether the card matches your current financial goals. A credit card with an annual fee is only useful when the value you receive is greater than what you pay. The best choice depends on your credit situation, spending habits, and the alternatives available to you. So, is Mission Lane worth the annual fee in 2026? It can be worth considering if the card helps you access credit and the current offer fits your needs. The annual fee only makes sense when the benefits outweigh the cost. Before signing up, check the latest Mission Lane terms and compare them with other credit building options. If this helped you understand Mission Lane better, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward reviews of financial products.